Now we will learn about angles and we will discuss about various types of angles and their properties. We will begin with the angle on a straight line. Angle on a point on a straight line is always 180 degree. Suppose we consider a point here. This angle is 180 degree and this angle is also 180 degree. And if there are two angles on a straight line, suppose this angle is theta 1 and this angle is theta 2. On a same straight line they lie on a point, then theta 1 plus theta 2 will be 180 degree. This is the case, the angle on a point on a straight line. Next, intersecting straight lines. If two straight lines intersect each other, then in total 4 angles are created. These two opposite angles are equal. If this is theta 1, this is also theta 1, and these angles are called vertically opposite angles. If we call this angle theta 2, then this angle will also be theta 2, and these angles are also vertically opposite angles. And if we consider this straight line, angle theta 1 plus theta 2 is 180 degree. Now, sum of angles in a triangle, this is always 180 degree. If this angle is theta 1, this angle is theta 2 and this angle is theta 3, if we add them, theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 equal to 180 degree, always. And what about inside a quadrilateral? In any shape of quadrilateral, the sum of interior angles is always 360 degree. If this angle is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 3 and this angle theta 4. The sum of them, theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4 equal to 360 degree. And sum of the interior angles in a n-sided polygon is always n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now, angle at a semicircle is always 90 degree. And angle between the tangent and the radius is 90 degree. The straight line which passes through a point on the circumference of a circle and only touches the circle but don't intersect or crosses the circle, just touches it at one point. This line is called a tangent. The angle between the radius and the tangent is always 90 degree. Now we will see about the angles in parallel lines. If a straight line intersects two parallel lines, this angle and this angle, they are equal, and this type of angle is called corresponding angle. And if another straight line crosses these two parallel lines, the angles created in this way are also equal. This type of angles in shape of Z is called alternate angle. Here, this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. This angle and this angle, they are alternate angles. On same segment, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. How? This portion is called segment. Both of this angle and this angle resides on this segment. This is the center of the circle and this is a point on the circumference of the circle. If this angle is 100 degree, this angle will be half of it, 50 degree. Or in other words, if this angle is 50 degree, this angle at the center will be double of it, that means 100 degree. On same segment, all angles at circumference are equal. You can see here that on this segment, we can see two angles, this black one and this red one. If this angle is 50 degree, this is also 50 degree. If we draw another angle on the same segment, this will also be 50 degree. If we draw an angle here, this will also be 50 degree. And the last one, on opposite segments, angles are supplementary. That means on this segment, I have drawn an angle, this angle. If we call this angle to be 80 degree, On the opposite segment, that means the rest of the circumference, on this segment we see another angle, this one. This angle and this angle are supplementary, that means this plus this will make a 180. That means if this angle is 80 degree, this angle will be 100 degree, so that 80 plus 100 is 180. This is the case. On opposite segments, the angles are supplementary. If I say this angle is theta, this angle will be 180 minus theta. These are the properties and characteristics and varieties of angles. I hope you understood all of them, and my suggestion would be you must know all of these properties to solve the geometric problems in your O-level exam.